Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bitcoin private key. Store your key offline and treat it like cash in a safe. Use a hardware wallet for everyday security and paper backups for redundancy. Avoid cloud storage unless encrypted with a strong passphrase. Regularly verify backups and never reveal keys during transactions. If you feel unsure, test with a small amount before moving larger balances. Generating keys safely starts with picking a trustworthy method and staying offline when possible. Prefer hardware wallets or open-source generators on an air-gapped computer to avoid network risks. Use verified entropy sources and confirm checksums to ensure no tampering. Write seed phrases on metal or paper, split backups across secure locations, and avoid photos or screenshots. Practice restoring a wallet from your backup to confirm everything works. To use a private key for transactions, prepare your unsigned transaction and sign it offline on a secure device. Always verify recipient addresses and amounts on the hardware wallet display before approving. Broadcast the signed transaction from an online machine separate from the signing device. For new setups, send a small test amount first to confirm everything functions as expected. Maintain good habits and update your procedures if you suspect compromise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.